Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anamika. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to apply the Renner Rose real nail polish strips. So this is the packaging. If you see at the back of the packaging, it shows that it is from the green material, is standard, easy to peel off, real nail polish, long lasting and 5-minute done. And in the bottom you can see the instructions to use it. Simply you need to remove the clear cover, peel polish strip, remove tab and select and apply to nail and gently file excess. So let's open it and see how it looks inside. So this is what I get from the main envelope, and this looks really good. And within the main envelope I get some alcohol pads for clearing your nails before applying these nail strips. So let's open it and see how many of them and how they look like. So we try to open from the top, and similar 2 sheets are there, and in one sheet there are 11 nail strips. So without a further ado, let's start with the applying these nail strips. First of all, I take the alcohol pad to clear my nails if there is any dust or anything on my nails. This will really help the nail strips to stick on it very good. And the second step I do is to choose the size of the strip which fits best to my thumb or finger, whatever you start with. So I think this will fit perfectly. So I choose this one. And now thing is how to apply it. Firstly, remove the clear cover and then peel polish strip. And now next step is to remove the tab and select the end, whatever end best suit your nails or thumb, wherever you are applying. So I apply from this side. I think this is the perfect fit for my thumb, and as you can see in the corner it covers perfectly. So I simply apply slowly with my finger so that it will look smooth. And in the front you can see the extra which is not required, and this is the length of my nails. So the extra one I need to remove, and it's a bit harder to remove the extra one. Means the material of this thickness of this nail strip is little good, so I try to remove the extra one. And you can also use the filer provided within the envelope to perfectly make a shape as I'm doing, and give it a perfect look. So I think I'm almost done with filing the nail strip, and this is how it looks from the back also. So perfect and clear, as you can see my thumb. And the finishing of this nail strip is beautiful, like it gives a shine and look perfect. The only thing I don't like about these nail strip is that if you apply half and then half of that is wasted. So I will give you a trick and a tip to use them wisely so that they will not be wasted, and you can use half of that remaining for your next whenever you apply. So for my finger I choose this one. It fits perfectly to this, and I will show you how I use it wisely without wasting. So this is the size of my nails, and half of this is almost which is I don't require. So with a scissor I cut this, and you can use any of the one part which fits your nails. So I simply peel off the clear cover and then peel off the polish strip. Now applying it to my nails, and see, this fits perfectly, and I start rubbing it with my finger so that it will look good. And you can see the nail strip which is out of my nails, it's very small in amount, and I file it now to give it a proper shape. So this trick is very useful, like less of your strip is wasted, and the remaining you can use for your next time whenever you are willing to apply these strips. So you can see the difference, like this one is so perfect, like you can use it for the next time, and the other one is like wasted. So similar way you can apply to all your nails, and you can use the remaining for your next like whenever you apply. So this is how my nails look perfectly. So this Venerose nail strip package is just for $4, and I guess this is good, affordable, and looks great. And they look beautiful, colorful, and looks really real nail polish strips. And the only thing I feel is that they are a little bit thicker in compared to the Color Street, as this is my first time I'm using this brand. And yeah, definitely in future I will give a try to compare both the Venerose and the Color Street nail strips and see how they all together gives the result. And so this is all for today's video. We'll see you all in the next brand new video. So thank you for watching. Bye.